Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your video and exporting a clean audio track so the model learns the voice without background noise. Choose a voice model suited to your goal: cloning for match, style transfer for tone change, or a preset synthetic voice for speed. Once done, check sample rate and channels because mismatch causes artifacts. Convert to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and mono if required. Make sure you have about 1 to 5 minutes of clear speech for best results before moving on. Next, you clean the audio, denoise, remove clicks, and normalize levels so the AI focuses on voice content rather than noise. This improves synthesis quality. Then feed the cleaned audio into the chosen model and adjust controls like pitch, prosody, and timbre to sculpt the target voice. Once done, render short test clips and perform a/B comparisons with the original to evaluate naturalness and timing. If alignment drifts, revisit trimming and normalization before committing to the full render. Finally, you import the generated voice back into the video timeline and align by waveform peaks or timecodes so lip sync and pauses match. Once aligned, apply final mastering, subtle EQ, gentle compression, and de-essing, plus spatial placement to match the original ambience. Export in your target codec and resolution, then review the full playback. If you notice artifacts or unnatural prosody, a quick troubleshooting step is to reprocess the problematic segments with a higher quality model or adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.